Hey, welcome back to my channel. LINKSWELL Gen 4 12.1-inch radio replacement. Applicable models: replacement for F-150 2015 to 2019 all trims. F-250 354 50 2017 to 2019 all trims. Please note, you need to buy an adapter of B&O separately if your truck equipped with Bang & Olufsen audio system, plug-and-play installation, GPS navigation and Wi-Fi connect, built-in Wi-Fi module, online maps such as Google Map and Waze can be supported with hotspots shared from your phone. You can also download the offline map on the Google Map. Phone link and steering wheel control. You can connect your phone to the dedicated USB port marked Phone Link and click the app of Phone Link on the radio to activate the CarPlay or Android Auto. First-time Phone Link functionality is not guaranteed using aftermarket phone charging cables. In order to ensure the best operation, only use the charging cable that came with your phone. Support steering wheel control, Bluetooth and AM/FM radio, BT 5.0 WAPTX lossless music streaming, support hands-free call, phone book download and music play. AM/FM radio WRDS. Admire the sumptuous interior of Tesla-style radio? Get this remarkable Tesla-style radio for your truck and enjoy the luxury every day. Every product includes 30 days money-back guarantee and 1-year product warranty. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.